Hi, this is Cindy from the Waukegan Public Library. Since we can't be together at the library right now, I will be bringing you some crafts and household tips from home that I hope that you will find enjoyable or will make life a little bit easier for you. So today's craft that I'd like to work on is a teacup bird feeder. It requires minimal craft supplies, and I will tell you which supplies that I'm using, and it will be listed on the screen. And most of these supplies I will try to use in future videos, so this way if you have to buy some craft supplies, at least you will be using them continuously and you won't have to repurchase. So let's get started. So these are the craft supplies that you're going to need: a teacup, some ribbon, some sandpaper or sanding block, brushes, some bird seed for the final product, glue. I used E6000, but you could use caulk or anything that would work outdoors. Some paint. I used Craft Smart Outdoor, and something to put your paint on. Now just paint the design of your choice. You're going to want to sand the edge of the teacup and the plate where you're going to put the glue so that it has better adhesion. Now apply the glue. You want to place the side of the cup that you sanded onto the plate and put the handle upward. Now you're going to tie your ribbon on so that you can hang your project later, and then put everything aside to dry at least overnight. Here's your final project, and you're ready to add your seeds. Well, that's all I have for today. I hope that you enjoyed the teacup bird feeder project and that you are able to make one of your own with your family, and that you're able to watch your feathered friends enjoy it. Take some time to read this week, and I hope that you have a great day. Bye-bye.